Welcome to our quick overview of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's dive into the specs and design that make this device stand out in 2024. Starting with the display, the iPhone 16 Pro Max features a stunning 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display. With Pro Motion technology, you'll enjoy a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and gaming incredibly responsive. Under the hood, it's powered by the A18 Bionic chip, bringing enhanced performance and efficiency. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, this chip ensures everything runs seamlessly. In terms of camera capabilities, the iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a triple camera system, including a 48-megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens with improved optical zoom. Night mode and advanced computational photography features mean your photos will look amazing, day or night. Now, let's talk design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max showcases a sleek titanium frame and a ceramic shield front for durability. It's available in stunning new colors. With 5G connectivity, improved battery life, and the latest iOS features, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a powerhouse that meets all your needs. Thanks for watching this quick overview. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates.